You've seen the promises. Every TV manufacturer tells you the same thing: our smart interface is the best. But you know the reality. You buy a $3,000 OLED TV, and within 6 months, the menu starts to lag. The remote feels like cheap plastic. The interface is cluttered with ads for movies you don't want to watch and apps you'll never download. Your high-end television has become a billboard in your living room. But then, there's this little black box. The Apple TV 4K. It doesn't look like much, but inside is the secret to reclaiming your home theater. As we move through 2026, the gap between smart TVs and the Apple TV has become a canyon. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you care about privacy, if you care about speed, and if you care about your sanity, you need to hear why this is the only device that should be plugged into your HDMI 1 port. Let's talk about the raw power that most people ignore. While your TV is running on a chip that costs $5 to manufacture, the Apple TV 4K is packing an A-series Bionic chip, the same silicon that powers the iPhones we use for professional video editing. This isn't just overkill. This is about the instant-on experience. When you click a movie on the Apple TV, it doesn't load. It just started. When you scrub through a 4K HDR file, there is no buffering, no stuttering, and no frustration. In the United States, where we have access to a dozen different streaming services, the Apple TV does something no one else can. It unifies them. The Up Next feature is the single greatest piece of software in the living room. It doesn't matter if your show is on HBO, Hulu, or Disney+. Apple finds it, organizes it, and puts it front and center. It stops you from scrolling and starts you watching. But the real reason the Apple TV 4K has a cult following in 2026 is the Apple ecosystem integration. If you have an iPhone, you don't just have a phone. You have a professional-grade remote and a color calibration tool. Most people are watching their TVs with terrible color settings: too blue, too green, or soap opera effect motion smoothing. You take your iPhone, point it at the TV, and within 30 seconds, the Apple TV 4K recalibrates the signal to match professional cinema standards. You are finally seeing the movie the way the director intended. And let's talk about the AirPods. If you live in an apartment or have a sleeping family, the spatial audio handoff is a lifesaver. You put your AirPods in, and the sound instantly moves from the speakers to your ears with full Dolby Atmos head tracking. It's like having a private IMAX theater in your head at 2 a.m. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: privacy. Your smart TV is spying on you. Vizio, Samsung, LG, they all track what you watch, how long you watch it, and your browsing habits to sell that data to advertisers. That's why their TVs are cheap. You are the product. Apple's business model is different. You pay a premium for the box so that they don't have to sell your soul. There are no ads on the Apple TV home screen. There is no data mining of your viewing habits. It is a clean, safe, and private sanctuary. In an era where our data is being leaked every other week, that peace of mind is worth every penny of the $150 price tag. But for 2026, the Apple TV 4K has evolved into something more: a gaming console. With the latest update, the Apple TV now supports almost every major Bluetooth controller, from the PS5 DualSense to the Xbox Elite. And with Apple